Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can export uh, to PDF in Anki. So let's get straight into it. Now we can use the built-in browser to print your card to a PDF file. So what we need to do, open Anki and click Browse at the top. So right here in the middle. Alright, so I will select this one. Just a moment. That because we have 25 cards. Now select the deck you want. So basically this one here that we want to export like that. So now click on any card in the list. So we have this first one here and press Ctrl A, or on Mac CMD A to select all the cards. Now what we need to do is press Ctrl P. Oops. So we need to select all of them and then Ctrl P if it's worked this way. Otherwise, what we need to do is, now that we selected, if you have option, let's go to the file here. And right here, you would need to see a print option. But as you can see, I don't have it. So I can't do that like this way. But we have another option. So we want to export as PDF. So let's go to the tools here and then select the add-ons. Get add-ons right here and then paste in this code. So this one will be 13342054141. Click OK. It says that it's invalid, so let's try again. Okay, so it would need to work. Okay, so if you can install this extension, then great, you can use this way. Otherwise, we have the third option that we can use. So this one will be on the web. So let's jump into the web, and then here we will use Anki to PDF, just like that. Alright, so on this web page, Anki Web, export Anki to PDF. If you scroll down, we will also find here this add-on. So we can copy this code 144211216 to our Anki right over here to add like that. Download complete successfully. Okay, view add-on page. Okay, so like that. And now you will see here at the top Anki, and then if you click on it, you will see here PDF exporter. And yeah, now if it still doesn't work, you can find on the web this Anki to PDF, and then you will be able to convert it. Okay, so now that we have added this PDF exporter, what we can do is go back here to this wheel here in the Decker and then to the export, and export format will be a PDF exporter. Now we have here some options that we can create a PDF by using the print to PDF feature of your browser after exporting as HTML. So we can set here columns, font size, width of the question column in percentage, maximum image height, width, um, and we have also cart with ease and so on. And when we are good with that, we just click export, and basically we will get this kind of here as it shows. Now we can right click and then select here print and save as PDF page. We can change that, we can change layout. We have few options here, and then when we are happy again with that, we can just click save, and now we have basically exported, saved as PDF, and it will open up like that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.